Shalom, shalom, everyone. In honor of Shavuot, Feast of Weeks, I'm making a special bread in my Hamilton Beach bread machine. Now, I'll point out the ingredients as I call them out. I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and that's just my plain all-purpose flour that I keep in my pantry. I have 1.5 cups of rye flour, and today I'm using the 100% organic dark rye flour from Great Rivers Organic Milling. I have 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and that is just the Walmart brand cocoa. I have 2 tablespoons of this, and I am not going to try to butcher the name, but what this is this is instant coffee, and it's got brown sugar, cinnamon, and caramel in it. Got 2 tablespoons of that right there. Okay, I have 1 tablespoon of oat fiber, which is the NuNaturals Oat Fiber. I have my thing is clicking here. I have 1 tablespoon of the Hoosier Hill dry malt. I have 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I've got 1 teaspoon of oil. I've got 5 tablespoons of sugar. I've got to make up for all this other stuff, so I've got 5 tablespoons of sugar. I've also got some poppy seeds, some caraway seeds, some pepitas that I crunched up, and some sesame seeds, and some sunflower seeds that I crunched up. I'm going to mix that all in. And I'm using 8 ounces of just water. Oh, did I mention, I'm right there, that is the Vital wheat gluten, just in case I didn't mention it. So, let me get this all in my bread machine pan, and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, here is all the ingredients in my bread machine bread pan. And like I said, I'll put the ingredients down in the description. I'm having my kitchen worked on again, and I'm trying to remove some wallpaper, so I'm at the mercy of whatever lighting I can get. I'm going to set my bread machine on 1.5 ounce loaf. I'm going to set it on light crust because I've got a lot of sugar in there. And I'm going to set it on number 1, which is basic bread. So now, when that gets done, I shall bring you back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there it is. And now let me dump it out of the bread pan. Okay, here it is out of the bread pan. Now, you guys might be a little surprised about the way it looks, but I'm not. Remember, we used rye flour, and we used all that extra stuff in there. So this is exactly what we're expecting. Exactly what I'm expecting. So now remember too that with bread, you take it out of the pan as soon as it beeps. With cake, you let the cake sit in the pan for 10 minutes before you take it out. But we took it out right away. Now, when this cools completely, and it does have to cool completely, we'll cut into it. Straight up, and there's Molly. She's as tall as me. Ain't you, Miss Molly? Okay, y'all, we're back again, and we're ready to cut into it. And I wanted to show you, while I was waiting for it to cool off, I made some enchilada rice. And what enchilada rice is, it's Spanish rice, and instead of using tomato sauce, you use enchilada sauce. So that's what's going to go with it. Ooh, got you close there. Sorry. Well, let it unfog. Just a second, I'll be right back. So, let me set the camera down, and I'll cut into this. See if I can put the camera there without burning it. There, oh, okay. There we go. Look, y'all. Look at that. That is just perfect. Let me get a picture of it. Let me stop right now and get a picture of it so you can see it better. There, I got a couple of pictures of it. Now, I am going to put some butter on it and do a taste test. So, just a second, be right back. Okay, there it is with some butter. And, well, here's the heel. See you can barely see the pepitas. I got them really crunched up good. And the same with the sunflower seeds. So let me give this a taste test. Yes. This is good. This is really good. Took real good big bites out of it. Okay, y'all. Gosh, I wish my lighting was better. See, this is a nice, substantial bread. I know this is going to toast up very well. This is not your light, fluffy Wonder Bread. This is a substantial, hearty loaf. And it's for Shavuot. And I can see my battery is getting ready to go. So that tells me it's time to sign off. So shalom, shalom, everyone. Glad you watched my video. Thank you for stopping by. And I don't know, happy Shavuot, Feast of Weeks. I don't know what does this say? What you're supposed to say. Shalom, shalom. Bye. Oh, and y'all, this is so good. Oh my. Put onions in it. Think I'm going to have to add some salt. Shalom, shalom. Bye.